Naghahanap ka ba ng sabon na nakakakinis, nakakaputi at nakakatanggal ng tagyawat? Halina at gumamit ng Soda Soap.
24 hours later.
O bakit? Ang nangyari dyan sa mukha mo? Ba't ka? Ganyan.
Ma, di ko alam.
May dadalhin kita sa dermatologist kasi malaman natin kung ano nangyari dyan sa mukha mo.
Go!
Ang iyong palate ay negative reaction dahil sa ginamit ng produkto.
Nakita ko naman po sa commercial na gumagana sa kanila yung produkto.
Maaari ko pong tingnan ang commercial na ito palate. Ang iyong napanood ay isa lamang local commercial na sila lamang ang gumawa. Maaari ng produkto ay hindi naman FDA approved. Magandang ugaliin na mag-research muna bago gumamit ng iba't ibang produkto sa ating katawan upang maiwasan ang mga ganitong kaganapan.
Sige po, ako'y mag-iingat na.
A few moments later.
Good day everyone. In today's special report, we will focus on consumer rights, your protection against unsafe services, unsafe products, and misleading advertisements. July 21, 2025, there has been a report on a viral facial product called Soda Soap, marketed as a skin cleansing miracle, but behind its bubbly image lies a troubling truth. The soap called Soda Soap became a hit earlier this month. It claimed that it could give glowing skin instantly. It includes all the ingredients and was proven safe by experts, influencers, and ads promoted the product heavily on social media platforms. According to the Department of Trade Industry and the Food, Drug and Administration, Soda Soap was not properly registered and was used in false endorsements in their advertisements. The claims made on packaging were not backed by science or safety testing. This incident is a reminder for all consumers. Always check the product labels, look for FDA approved, and report suspicious claims. Don't be swayed by flashy ads or viral trends. Your safety always comes first.
Naghahanap ka ba ng sabon na nakakakinis, nakakaputi at nakakatanggal ng tagyawat? Halina at gumamit ng Soda Soap.